Today I'm going to be going over slopes. So what is a slope? A slope is rise over run. And it also is delta y over delta x. And delta y means the difference in y. So slope measures how much y units change for every unit in the x. For example, we can calculate slope from 2 points using m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we wanted to get the slope out of points 2, 5, and 8, 11, we would get the x is down here, so 8, and then minus 2, because it goes like this, xy. And then at the top we would get the y coordinates, which would be 11 minus 5. So the slope would just be 6 over 6, which is just 1. And this is how we get slope from 2 y points and 2 x points. There is something called the slope-intercept form. And it is y equals mx plus b. So in y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And we would calculate the slope just like we did in the last problem. We would get 2 x points and 2 y points, subtract them, and that's how we would get slope. Just like this, just like in the other one. Next, there's point slope form. And point slope form looks like this: y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. And an example would be if our slope is 3 and we have a y and an x point, so our x point is 2 and our y is, or our x is 4 and y is 2. We would plug all this in like this: y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 4. Because our x coordinate is 4, our y coordinate is 2, and our slope is 3, and this is how we would plug that in. And this is point slope form. And then there is standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So, for example, or let me tell you how you get slope here. So m is equal to minus a over b. Let's do an example. If we had 2x plus 5y equals 20, we would find slope by just doing m is equal to a over b, which would be 2 and 5. And then it would be negative because of the negative sign. And this is standard form. We can also get slope from a table. So if we had a table and our numbers were 0, 3, 6, 9, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. We would use this formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we would get 2 points from the x and 2 points from the y. So 2 points from the y would be 4 and 2, 4 minus 2, and 2 points from the x would be 3 and 0. So our slope would be 2 over 3. Now let's go over how to graph slope intercept form. So let's say we have y is equal to 3x plus 1. And let's make our graph. So our origin is 0, and then our y-intercept is 1. So our y-intercept is right here at 1. And since our slope is 3 over 1, it means we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then go right 1. Just like that. And then we get a point here, and then again 1, 2, 3, and then 1 right, and then we get another point. And that's how we graph it.